Do you have a reservation before?
Yes, I have a reservation before. The name is Vira.
Okay, thank you. Let me check. Yes, Miss Vera, your table is ready. Would you prefer a table by the window or the main dining area?
At the window, please.
Follow me.
Thank you.
Is your table? Please have a seat. Is the seating comfortable to you, ma'am?
Yes, it's perfect.
Wonderful. Here's our menu. I will give you a few minutes to look them over, and our waiter will be back with your taking order immediately. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
I just had to let you know you're